Hello friends, welcome to the class of Cost and Works Accounting. In this particular video, we are going to solve problem on cost sheet. Okay, so this is a disclaimer statement of this particular video. This is the format of cost sheet which we are going to follow in the preparation of cost sheet. So this is our 12th problem, and this problem appeared in 2018 April external examinations of Savitribai Phule Pune University of SYBCOM class. Okay. So first we need to see whose books of accounts we are going to write and the period of period which is given in the problem. So here they have not given the name of the company, but they have given the period. So period is year ending 31st March 2017. Okay. So as per our format, we first classify all the items and then we will try to solve the example. So first, wages traceable to different jobs. It is B. Hire of cranes on jobs. C. Power. E. Factory light. E. Salesman's salary. K. Machinery repairs. E. Shafting repairs. Again, E. Storekeeper wages. E. Advertising. K. Director fees. G. Office salaries and expenses. G. Loss of profit insurance. So this item we are not going to consider as a financial item. Next, driver's wage and other distribution expenses. K. Traveling and other expenses to salesman. Again, K. Materials used on job. A. That is our material which we use, direct material consumed. Okay. Wages paid to the maintenance workers. E. Factory rent and rates. Again, E. Salesman commission. K. Sundry sales office expenses. Again, K. Machinery depreciation. E. Shafting depreciation. Again, E. Belting renewals and repairs. Again, E. Works salaries. E. Auditor's fee. G. And last, postage and stationery. G. Okay. So let us try to solve this particular example. So I have already kept format ready. So here name of the company is not mentioned, so I'll just write in the books of. Okay. Next line, cost sheet. Next to that line, we'll write the period. It is for the period ended 31st March 2017. Okay. So just maximize this. Okay. So first, what we need to do, direct material consumed. Okay. So it is, they have mentioned materials used on jobs. Okay, it is 95,000. Okay, so we can directly write outer side because there is no add and less. Add opening stock of material, less closing stock of materials. These figures are not given, so directly we can write outer column, materials used. Next is direct wages, or they have mentioned here wages traceable to the different jobs, that is 90,500. Okay, so 90,500. Next item is direct expenses. Here they have mentioned hire of cranes on jobs, C item. This you can see over here. So it is 1,400, right in the outer column, and do the total of these three, that is 1,86,900. This is your prime cost. Okay, now let us calculate the factory overheads. So what we need to do, we need to see the E items, okay, from the beginning. So first is power, it is 10,010. Next is factory light, 1,800. Factory light 1,800. Next is machinery repairs, 5,700. Next item is shafting repairs, 1,400. So you have to go by serially. Okay. Next, storekeeper's wages, 800. Next, it is wages paid to the maintenance workers. It is 24,200. Next, factory rent and rates, 4,600. So factory rent and rates 4,600. Next is machinery depreciation, 12,800. 12,800. Next is shafting depreciation, 1,700. Next, belting renewals and repairs. So it is 700. Next, works salaries, 5,000. 5,400. So enough. Now this is the end of our factory overheads. So just do the total of these things. It is 69,200. Now adjustment on account of stock of work in progress, but it is not mentioned. We'll just write it and we'll do the calculation. So final figure is 69,200. Add this figure in the prime cost and you will get the amount of factory cost or works cost. It is 2,56,100. Okay. Now next thing is that administration expenditure. Okay. So what we need to see? We need to see G items. So start from the beginning again. First, director fees, 3,000. Director fees 3,000. Next, it is office salaries, 2,900. Next item is auditor fees, 200. And last item is postage and stationery, 600. Now again do the total of these items. It is 6,700. Add up this to the factory cost and it will be your cost of production. Okay. Now again, as per our format, adjustment is there on account of stock of finished goods, but it is not mentioned in the example. We'll just write as per our format and we will do the total, but it is one and the same, that is 2,68,800. Okay, this is our cost of goods sold. Now we need to see again our selling and distribution expenditure. Okay, so start from the beginning again. Salesman's salary, 9,200. Next item is advertising, 2,500. 2,500. Next item, it is here, salesman's commission 1,200. So before that, here one item we have missed, drivers wages and other distribution expenditure. Okay, so driver, it is 10,000. Next item is traveling and other expenses to the salesman. Okay, so it is 2,800. Now next is in G here, sorry, K, we need to find out K, salesman's commission. Okay, it is 1,200. Last, that is sundry sales office expenditure, it is 4,700. So just do the total of these items. Okay, so it is 30,400. Add up this to the cost of goods sold, and that will be your cost of sales or total cost. Okay, so here we need to put note, in earlier videos we forget to mention this, that whenever there is an item, financial item, you need to put a note. Okay, so just put the note that this loss of profit and insurance is a item of financial nature, so it should be excluded from the cost sheet. Okay, so thus we completed here our 12th problem on the cost sheet. Okay, so again, this is a disclaimer statement of this video. Thank you very much.